Hello, everybody. This is immigration attorney Irene Weisman. Today is Friday, March 21, 2025, and I am coming in again in the form of a podcast with some updates for the week. So, I will start with news from USCIS. So all marriage-based cases will go back to being interviewed, okay? At least here in New York, but I don't think it's just here in New York. I think it's actually going to be a national policy. So in the last 2-3 years, maybe, probably 2.5, we've had many cases approved, many marriage cases approved without an interview, just based on documents that were provided, just saved a lot of time, going to those interviews, saved time with, I didn't have to prepare my clients for this interview. I didn't have to spend half a day going to USCIS office to attend the interview with them. So it was kind of nice. It made the case cheaper, which was nicer for clients. But again, I've been doing this for more than 20 years now, and the last two and a half years was the only time where in my lifetime of being an immigration attorney where this happened, where they waived the the marriage interviews. It never happened before. So I guess we're going back to the regular way, how it was before, that all marriage cases will go to an interview, which is, again, nothing to be scared of, nothing to be afraid of, just, a little bit of upsetting because it saved a lot of time and money. So that's that. As of today, the USCIS Ombudsman office has been shut down. Okay, why is this important? The USCIS Ombudsman office was responsible for clearing up some mistakes made by USCIS. So instead of maybe submitting a motion to reopen or doing some other things, we could reach out to the ombudsman, create an inquiry, tell them the problem, and they would agree or not agree to help. I actually have a case pending with them right now that apparently is closed as of today. So I'm very upset about that because that was clear USCIS error, and I showed it to the ombudsman, and they agreed to take that, on right away, actually. So now I'll have to come up with another way to try to figure this out. All I'm trying to do is, save money and time for my clients, but, very upsetting. So, basically what they said was they would shut down the office, place all employees on 60-day leave, and then they'll decide what to do. But AILA, American Immigration Lawyers Association, is telling us that all pending cases are now considered closed. So, if you have, like me, if you have a case pending with an ombudsman, don't rely on that. That case has been closed. And, something else I wanted to discuss when the news first broke out, 5-6 days ago, maybe a week ago now, I wanted to go on, just talk about it, and then I decided to wait. And then the week happened and I got really busy and didn't do it. But this is the proposed travel ban, okay, from many countries. And so the countries are divided into 3 zones: red, orange, and yellow. The red zone will be all travel banned. The orange zone will be visas will be sharply restricted. And then we have a yellow zone countries where the countries are given 60 days to address concerns. And if they do not address whatever concerns the Department of State may have with those countries, then they will go on to either the orange or the red zones. Okay, so who are the red zone countries where travel will be banned? Afghanistan, Bhutan, Cuba, Iran, Libya, North Korea, Yemen, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, Venezuela. So that's that's red countries, all travel banned. Okay, so if you have a pending immigrant visa, like either marriage case or a family case, or waiting for any non-immigrant visas, once this goes into effect, that's not going to happen. Okay, orange countries where visas will be sharply restricted. So virtually everything is going to be denied, only very few exceptions, maybe for some, high business. We don't know how it's going to work yet, but they're saying very sharply restricted. Mostly everything is going to be denied. So Belarus, Eritrea, Haiti, Laos, Myanmar, Pakistan, Russia, Sierra Leone, South Sudan, Turkmenistan. So that's proposed orange countries, and then we have yellow countries. Okay, so those are the ones where the countries are given 60 days, and then we'll see what happens. Those countries are Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Benin, Burkina Faso, Cambodia, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Chad, Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Dominica, Equatorial Guinea, Gambia, Liberia, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, Sao Tome and Principe, Vanuatu, and Zimbabwe. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of Caribbean countries here. We have the Antigua and Barbuda, we have Dominican, we have St. Kitts, we have St. Lucia. I have so many clients from those countries. I don't know, over the years, I just have a lot of Caribbean nations, clients from Caribbean nations. So we'll see what happens. I'm really concerned about this, as to where on which list this is going to go. But obviously, this is all very concerning, not very pleasant. We will see what will happen with this. And I will obviously keep you updated as to what happens with this proposed travel ban. That's it for this week. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I will talk to you soon next week, hopefully. Have a good night, everybody.